Welcome to Balaji Education YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see the second part of boat and stream topic of the Aptitude series. At very first, we have first question like ratio of speed of current and speed of first boat is 2:5 ratio. Like he given the speeds of current and the boat speed of the first boat, which is like 2:5. Like speed of it is the first boat. Let us take this like first condition, the speed of the current and speed of the first boat, which is like 2:5. Speed of the first boat means here speed of the first boat in still water. You need to remember this terminology. In the same river, ratio between the speed of current and second boat is 3:5. Now the second condition is given like the speed of the current will be 3 and the speed of the second boat will be 5. Now find the ratio between speed of these two boats. So we need to find the speed of first boat and the speed of the second boat. We need to find. Here the hint is it is in the same river. The speeds of the ratios will be in the same river. So same river means here the ratio will be 2 in the first condition. In the second condition it is like 3. Means we need to make this the ratio of the current to the same. Like when we perform LCM of the 2 and 3, LCM of 2 and 3, which is equals to 6. So in order to get here 6 and in order to get here 6, when we multiply here with 3, we will be get 6 here, and when we multiply 2 with this, here we will get the 6. Then the new ratios will be look like this, like speed of the current and speed of the first boat. Here it is like speed of the second boat and it is the speed of the current. Now it is like 6 is to like 5 into 3, which is 15. Again 3 into 6, which is the speed of the current and the speed of the second boat, which is like now speed of the current will be 6 and the speed of the second boat, which is like 10. Now when you see here like speed of the current we made to equal, then we can write like this, like speed of the first and the speed of the second boat like this, which is like 15 is to 10. So when we made this equal, then we can also do this too like this. Like when we simplify this, we are going to get like 3:2 ratio as speed of the boat of speed of the first boat and the speed of the second boat, which is the ratio 3:2, which is in the option B. Only thing we made the speed of the current to the same ratio, then we taken this like, then we have calculated like this. Now let us move to the next question. Before going to see the next question, if you really liked my video, please do a like button and support by subscribing. So if your friends are preparing for the aptitude, please share my aptitude series. Now in this question, the question is like a person can swim 2 kilometers in still water in 15 minutes. Like the speed of the person is like, let us take like x. So here instead of the boat is taken as the person. So we assume the variable as the speed of the boat as x. So let us take the variable x as the reference of the person's speed, which is like 2 kilometers in 15 minutes. When we convert to hours, here when we multiply here 60, then it is going to convert to the hours, like 15 for the like 8 kilometers per hour the speed of the person in still water, and he can swim 4 kilometers in the direction of current in 20 minutes. This is nothing but he can swim 4 kilometers in the direction of current, means like in the direction of current is going to swim. Like if the direction of the current is like this, means current is nothing but the river. If the river direction is like this, means the person can swim along the direction of the river. Now which is nothing but the speed of the boat in downstream, it is equals to the speed of the boat in downstream, nothing but the speed of the person in downstream. We taken the variable as reference as u, which is given as 4 kilometers in 20 minutes. When we convert to hours, means when we multiply here 60, it will going to convert into hours, which is nothing but 12 kilometers per hour. then how much distance will be covered by a paper boat in 2 hours 30 minutes. So paper boat means if in this river if we put a paper boat, so paper boat means when we made a boat by the paper, if we put on the river, then it is of with no speed. The boat speed will be the speed of the current. So whatever the direction of the river will be go, the boat will also go in the direction of that. So with the speed of the river only. So if river is moving like this, the boat will also move like this. So the speed of the paper boat which is equals to the speed of the current. So what we need to find, like the speed of the, here I am writing speed of the paper boat which is equals to the speed of the current, speed of the current. So the speed of the current we taken the variable in our previous video, like which is equals to y. So here is given the value u, and here we need to find the value y. So use formula as x plus y. If the u is given as 12 km per hour, so we have derived this from the question only. Like he given the hint 2 kilometers in 15 hours means, sorry, 2 kilometers in 15 minutes means it is like 8 km per hour, and the speed of the boat in the downstream, which is like the speed of the person in the downstream, like 4 km in 20 minutes means nothing but 12 km per hour. So which we got as the u value as 12 and the x value as 8. So we need to find the value of y. So now the value of y is like, when we send the 8 to other side, which is like 12 minus 8, which is nothing but 4 km per hour. So now here it is not a final answer. We need to find the distance covered by the paper boat in 2 hours 30 minutes. So this is like 4 km per hour, like 4 km per hour. So we need to find the distance in 2 hours plus 30 minutes. So 2 hours 30 minutes is nothing but like 2 plus half hour, like 5 by 2 hours we need to find. So it is like 4 kilometers in 1 hour means, here I am doing like 4 kilometers in 1 hour. In order to get 5 by 2 hours means, in order to get here 5 by 2, here I am multiplying with 5 by 2. So again if we multiply above with the 5 by 2, like 4 into 5 by 2, then we will get the distance like 4 to the, which is nothing but 10 kilometers in 5 by 2 hours. So in the 5 by 2 hours, the distance covered by the paper boat is 10 kilometers, because the paper boat is nothing but the speed of the paper boat which is equal to the speed of the current only. From this we have derived the speed of the paper boat, and from that we have calculated the distance covered in the 2 hours 30 minutes like this. So finally we got the answer as 10 kilometers. Now let us move to the last question of this video. The last question is like, a boat goes 9 kilometers downstream and 4 kilometers upstream. Sorry, here it is also like 4 kilometers downstream and 4 kilometers upstream in 3 hours. Like total time is 3 hours taking, like time taken to travel in the downstream, like the speed of the boat in downstream, the time taken be tu plus tv, which is like 4 kilometers by, let us take the u is defined as, now from the dst, let us take from the dst the time t, which is formula as d by s. So in the downstream it is like it is covering 4 kilometers to the time, like to the speed, let it be when u equals to x plus y. U is nothing but the speed of the boat in downstream and the speed of the boat plus speed of the current, like x plus y, plus our time taken to travel in the upstream is like, it is derived like time, the distance traveled in the upstream, which is like 4 by the speed of the upstream, which is v. V is formula as x minus y, so which is nothing but x minus y. As speed of the current is 1 km per hour, so you given the speed of the current as 1 km per hour, like 4 by x plus 1 plus 4 by x minus 1. Find the speed of the boat in still water. We need to find the value of x. So if we simplify this, we are going to get the value of x like, so here we got the quadratic equation like this. Now like 3 into this one and 4 into this one, which is like 3x square minus 3, which is equals to 8x. So taken come 8x to this side, like 3x square minus 8x minus 3, which is equals to 0. If you simplify this, the roots are like x is equals to 3 and or x is equals to minus 1 by 3. Take any one of this in the option. Here it is have the 3. So x is we taken the reference of the boat, speed of the boat in still water. So here what we taken as, here we have taken the total time, which is equals to the total time, the time taken to travel in the downstream and the time taken to travel in the upstream. So time taken to travel in the downstream, which is formula as the time, its formula as distance by speed. Now the distance covered is 4 kilometers by the speed is the speed of the downstream, which is equals to x plus y. Here it is like u we taken as the x plus y, here it is like we taken as the x minus y. So after simplifying this, we have got the value of x as 3 and the or minus 1 by 3, but in the option we have 3 km per